Hello Virgos, this is a love reading for the month of June 2016. I advise you to also check your moon signs and rising signs as it may resonate better with you. So let's get started with your reading. Your first card is Three of Wands reverse. Your second card is Five of Swords reverse. For those who are in a relationship, you might be involved with the fire sign who's an Aries, Leo or Sagittarius, or you could be involved with the air sign who's a Gemini, Aquarius or Libra person. Either way, you have difficulties at this present time. There might be some conflicts with this person, and you might be trying to overcome this, and you will during this month. You might have had some silly quarrels and misunderstanding, and you might have won during this time, but now you're thinking because you like this person who's mainly an air sign, if you are, and you want to win this person back, and you will be thinking about it, how to make things work, and you will get through during this month, who are involved with the fire, with the air sign. With the bond sign, you might have some difficulties because you might be involved with someone who is might be working or living in a distance. You might have had some travel plan which is delayed for some with this person or a person coming to you, you're going to see them. Whatever it is, you have postponed the plans with this person if it is a fire sign for now. The next card is It is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. It says either way it is good for you to love and it's safe for you to love during this month. You don't have to stay away and get separated from people. Things will work out for you when this card comes to you. Because either way, even though you have difficulties and obstacles to overcome, the feeling of love and care is there. You feel for each other and yearn for each other, and there's an angel in between the both of you, in between you two, helping you. For some, this might be a relationship where you might be having different religions, following different religions, and there might be some interference. As you see the religious factor, your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. So there might be some difficulties and interference by you or the family member during this time. For my lovely singles, it might be the same that you might have some travel plans to meet either fire sign, mainly a fire sign or somebody who's passionate, and things might be delayed during this month. You might be trying to overcome a relationship with the air sign and trying to find solutions and make this relationship work when you find or meet this air sign, because there might be some difficulties getting getting through with this person. It says it's safe for you to love for those who are single and haven't met anyone. It is asking you to stay positive during this month. Things will work for you and there is somebody coming for you. You might be also involved religiously or might be, meeting somebody in a religious place. It could be a church or some kind of religious gathering for some. You might meet this person in a place, but there might be some difficulties initially with this person. Whatever it is asking you to stay positive, my lovely Virgos, because there is somebody coming through for you and all the difficulties might come through soon. Your advice with the Lover's Oracle card says, you may not always understand why certain things happen. However, there is always a higher purpose to the event in your life. Through turmoil, a blessing will soon be revealed. So sometimes things happen for a good reason, even though it might be a difficult situation at that time. And you will overcome this, and it is a blessing for you. If this is for both, for those who are in a relationship and who are single as well. So God bless you, and I hope things work out for you in either way. And if you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.